Good morning students. Today I am going to discuss about an example of equal commands. You can see here is a relation is mentioned here, that is named employee. What are the attributes? Attributes are EID, name, age and salary. These all are the attributes of employee relation. Now there are some queries are mentioned. You have to write the query based on this questions. Okay. So first question: show the record of all those employees whose surname is Banerjee. So first question is you have to retrieve the information of those employees whose surname is Banerjee. But here not a particular attribute is mentioned. That means you have to retrieve all the information of those employees who are containing Banerjee surname. Okay. So what will be the query? The query will be select start from employee where name like percentage Banerjee. So select start from employee where name like percentage Banerjee. So why you have mentioned percentage, when we don't know the length of the name, here only mention the surname. Okay, but there is no individual column for surname. So there is only a single column for name. So you have to mention the surname inside that particular column. So when the length of the name is unknown, what we have already discussed that we have to mention percentage where the length of the name is unknown. So as Banerjee is my surname, so it will be placed after percentage. So percentage means name is unknown. So we don't know the length of the name or we don't know any character of the name. So that is the percentage, and then we will mention the Banerjee. So the first one will be select start from employee where name like percentage Banerjee. Okay, so what was our question? The question was you have to retrieve the information about those employees whose surname is Banerjee. So this is the query for that particular question. Now, what is the next question? Show the name and salary of those employees whose age is between 50 and 60. So you have to retrieve the information of those employees whose age is within 50 and 60 or between 50 and 60. So here the attribute is mentioned. Okay. So here the attribute mentioned have to retrieve only those attributes only, because here name and salary is these two attributes are mentioned here. So what will be the query? The query will be select name, comma, salary from employee where age between 50 and 60, or you can mention 50 to 60. You can mention 50 to 60. Okay. So select name, comma, salary. So these two attributes is mentioned on our question. So you have to retrieve these two attributes. So select name comma salary from employee where age between 50 to 60, because it was our question that you have to retrieve the information of those employees whose age is within 50 and 60. Okay, so this is the query for that particular question. Now the third question is arrange the records of all employees according to their salary. So you have to arrange the records of employees according to their salary in ascending order. So in this question you have to mention that particular query, that is we have mentioned is order by. Okay, so you have to understand where you can use the order by query, where you can use the between query. So in such question, in this type of question, you have to mention the order by, because here an ascending order is mentioned, because the salary is in ascending order. So you have to print the salary in ascending order. So the query will be select start from employee order by salary. Okay, so last is, so in such conditions, so select star from employee order by salary AC. That means we want to print the salary of the employees. We want to print the information of employees according to the ascending order of their salary. Okay, so why we have mentioned star? Because we want all the information together. Okay, there is no particular attribute value we want to retrieve. We want to retrieve all the information of the employee, the relation or employees, but in salary is in ascending order. In such condition we have to print all the information. So this is basically the type of problem which you will get in your HS examination. This is also an example which was come to 2019. Okay, 2019 HS question. So I have mentioned the question as well as the query, how you can write those queries. So please follow this and try to solve the problem regarding this type of conditions problem, this kinds of SQL problem for your HS examination 2021. Okay, thank you.